Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram followers and or following list. This is very simple to fix, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the Instagram app. From here, as you can see, people can see my following list, or I'll go over here for this guy. You can click on his following and see who this guy is following. So if you're wanting to change this, all you have to do is go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Click on the three little lines in the top right. You want to click settings, and then you want to click privacy. From here, all you want to do is turn your account private as it already is. And then once you're here, you can go back to other people. Say you can click this dude, click on the following button, and then you're able to restrict them, which means that you won't be able to see some of the things you post or the followers or the following list that you do have. I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next